Here, the question number 18 of GATE 2018 Civil Engineering afternoon session is discussed. Question is, a vertical load of 10 kN acts on a hinge located at a distance of L by 4 from the roller support Q of a beam of length L. The figure is given there. The vertical reaction at support Q is, the options are given, 0 kN, 2.5 kN, 7.5 kN and 10 kN. Now this question is easy one, since a particular beam is given and loads are acting on it, and just by considering equilibrium equation on the beam or taking a moment on the beam at a particular point, we can able to solve this particular problem. The question setter wants to know whether a student can solve this particular problem within 30 to 40 seconds. Now this can be solved, this question can be solved within 30 to 40 seconds. Now it depends upon, first of all, if we just take or if we consider all the reactions in the beam due to load, so this is the fixed support, then we have hinge support here, and then this is the roller support, and this particular vertical reaction RQ is to be calculated. So either we can take a moment. Now since hinge support is provided at point A, the moment at point A will be equals to 0. Now if we consider the moment at A equals to 0, now from left hand side or from right hand side we can consider the loads. Now since on the left hand side of point A there are no loads acting, the only unknown, that is the reaction at Q, can be calculated if we just take the or if we consider the right hand side of point A. So taking from right hand side of the beam, and if we take the moment at A equals to 0, so counterclockwise moment will be negative, and that is the reason negative sign is considered, minus RQ multiplied by the distance L by 4. This is already given in the problem, and if we just equate, that is equals to 0, so this RQ will be finally equals to 0. So your final option will be the option number A, that is the 0 kilonewton. Now student has to solve this particular problem within 30 seconds or 40 seconds maximum. Just the one concept he should know the moment at point A, since it is hinge. So moment equals to 0, and you have to consider either left hand side or right hand side, and you can find out the unknown. In our case, the vertical reaction at support is coming out to be 0.